Oh, hi. Yeah, welcome back to Save with Crypto. This is the best crypto YouTube channel on Earth, Mars, and probably the entire universe. The channel has a full self-watching capability. This YouTube channel is so advanced that you don't need to watch it. All you do is subscribe to the channel and become instantly wealthy. If you wish, you can 2x your wealth by liking the video. If you haven't subscribed to Save with Crypto by now, you are missing out on one of the greatest opportunities known to mankind. Oh yeah, and above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto here, and today was an interesting day. We did have a new all-time high for Bitcoin. The price sort of rose up here from about 2 o'clock onwards, UTC, and then at about 8 o'clock in the evening, we got up to pretty much 94k and change really, and then came down again. I mean, I think that kind of price action is fairly sort of obvious, isn't it? Sort of, you're going to get to 94k and people are going to take profit and sell off and all that kind of thing. The level I was looking at was going back to this peak of last Wednesday. If you were to sort of plot that across there, that level was at around about 93,461. So I was thinking, okay, if the price comes below that, it's probably going to come down quite a bit further. So I did a couple of things. On my Bybit account, I actually sold the Bitcoin I had in there, which is about $500 worth, and I put that into USDT because I was thinking that's a pretty good time to sell that so that I could use it in the BloFin competition, because over on BloFin you can only do derivative trading with USDT. So I thought that would come in handy, and it was also good to sort of sell it at a really high price. So I think that was a good decision. I also shorted it. In fact, I am still shorting it on BitGet. So that comes out 195% profit, which is currently worth $422. Now, on the way up, I was using rather large positions actually, and I did have to take a photo of my laptop at one point because I just thought I've never seen numbers that big. So yeah, this example here, I mean, the actual position size was 3.242 Bitcoin because I was using a margin of 0.129 Bitcoin, because yesterday I only had 0.1 to play with, and now I've got 0.129, and obviously with 25x leverage that comes out as an enormous position size worth, well, then it was worth $304,000. It was a little bit scary actually, but it's good fun because I kept taking profits like this, like $1,000, $1,500. I think I managed to make like $3,000 or $4,000 today, which is actually more than I started the account with, because that account had about $3,000 in it in September. So yeah, it's doing well. Now, of course, what I really wished was that I had the balls to do like a really big short on the way down. I didn't. I used a small amount, but I used 100x leverage. So like now it's actually 200% in profit, $441. Yeah, if only I'd have gone larger, that would have been great. So the question is what to do next. Well, you see, this afternoon everyone was looking at this kind of rising wedge thing like that, sort of ignoring that little fake out from last week. But now it's starting to look more like that kind of thing, which is actually a very bullish triangle. You would think the price should come back maybe down to about here before it breaks up. So that's the kind of thing I'm looking for. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I think, to be honest, I'll probably just leave that position open because there's no reason why I can't long at the same time when we get down to what I consider to be a support. Anyway, so our team is currently 112 in the competition, which is not bad. We now actually have a trading volume of $1.25 million, which is amazing. A lot of that is down to John Boy here. Don't know who John Boy is, but John Boy seems to have a trading volume of 940,000. Amazing. I still don't really understand why they're ranking them in order of trading volume, because that isn't anything to do with like how well you're trading. It's just like kind of how much money you're trading with, as far as I can see. Unless there's something else going to happen over here, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's all good fun. Now, since I started making this video, the price has sort of bounced a little bit here. So if we're looking at a trend like that, yeah, that could be quite feasible. I think what I might do is I might go into quite a low leverage long, like a 5x or something, now with just a fraction of the capital, and then be prepared to sort of ladder in lower positions as we go up. But the thing is, it's 11:30 at night and I'm really tired and I really want to go to bed. Not the best video in the world, but at least I got one out. If you appreciate that, please do give the video a like, and any questions, just leave a comment below. All right, take care. I've got to go to sleep. All right, take care, and see you tomorrow.
Save with Crypto is a totally dope YouTube channel. Many of you know that I always have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. If it's flipping crypto, I'm BloFin, be the best crypto flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Everyone should own Bitcoin, maybe a whole Bitcoin. There's no fun if the homies can't have none. The thing is, you don't get respect if you don't deserve it. Save with Crypto deserves the ultimate respect. Do like all his videos. Subscribe with notifications on all. And above all, tell your friends.